Hi, I'm Michael Duff, and today I am doing laundry in an independent living facility. Today I'm going to show you the different steps to doing your own laundry. The first thing I like to do is to make sure to get Tide pods and bleach pods, because if you use regular detergent, there'll be much more of a chance that you may get the detergent all over you. So I stick with the pods. I do drive a scooter, handicap scooter. It's a little bit difficult to get inside of the laundry room, but I can get into it. And the first thing you want to do is get your scooter to go over to the dryers. Once you get to the dryers, then you want to make sure that your scooter is turned off, because there may be somebody in there with you who could walk by and affect your controls and make your scooter move forward, and you could actually either injure yourself or injure the other person. So always make sure that your scooter is turned off when you're doing any sort of laundry. The other thing I do is, once that's established, I go ahead and drop in a Tide pod, depending on whether or not you have a large load. Sometimes you want 2 pods, and if you're doing something like whites, you want to put in maybe 1 or 2 bleach pods. And then you're going to probably wait 30 minutes for your laundry to get done. So you want to put your laundry in the actual dryer and wait about an hour. And it depends on what you're doing. If you're doing something like T-shirts, I normally put them on a setting of high, and I do that for about 15 minutes. And the reason why I do that is because I don't want to shrink. You never want to put T-shirts on a full cycle, because your T-shirts will shrink. So I do that for about 15 minutes, and then I take the wet T-shirts and then bring them back into the apartment with me. And all of the other laundry that I have to do, like underwear or whites, I generally put on a full cycle. And one of the things I want to also make clear is that it's always good to wear an undershirt when you're doing actual washing of the laundry. And the reason for that is that when you deal with bleach, we all know that takes the color out of your clothes. So if you're wearing a undershirt that's all white, it's not going to be a big deal if you do get some of the bleach on you, because there's no color in the shirt, so you don't have to worry about having color taken out of your shirt. Other than that, when I get done with the laundry, sometimes it helps to have a back basket, but a lot of people don't have those. So I guess you just really have to get creative. When your laundry is done, you can either put them in a sack and try to put those between your legs, or you can just deal with what you have. If you have a front basket, try to put as many clothes as you can and bring them back to your apartment. You may have to make multiple trips, and that's okay.